Hey there, welcome back to IELTS Preparation with Max Excel. Today, we are tackling something super important for your IELTS journey, the top 50 essay questions that pop up all the time in the exam. Trust me, knowing these inside out is gonna be a game changer. Whether you're prepping for academic or general, these questions are gold. IELTS exams have covered a plethora of topics, ranging from the impact of technology on society to the role of government in healthcare. Whether it's discussing the merits of online education or debating the effectiveness of environmental policies, the IELTS exam ensures candidates are prepared to tackle a diverse array of subjects. So, let's dive in and ensure you're armed and ready to tackle any essay prompt that comes your way. Hey! But wait, before we jump into these essential questions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest IELTS tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to check out our previous videos where we've covered essay types and grading criteria to level up your writing game. Links are right down below. Alright, now let's get cracking with those 50 questions you've been curious about. 1. Some people argue that technology has made our lives more convenient, while others believe it has made us more dependent. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Technology. Too many people believe that the government should spend more money on public transportation systems. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Government. 3. In some countries, young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this gap year. Education. 4. Climate change is a significant global issue. What are the causes of climate change, and what measures can individuals and governments take to address this problem? Environment. 5. Some people think that cultural traditions may change due to globalization, while others believe that it helps preserve them. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Globalization. 6. In many countries, the elderly population is increasing rapidly. What problems does this cause, and how can these problems be addressed? Society. 7. Advertising influences people's behavior, both positively and negatively. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Media. 8. Some people think that children should be taught academic subjects at school, while others believe that practical skills are more important. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Education. 9. Some people believe that the best way to reduce crime is to increase the number of police officers on the streets. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Society. 10. In many countries, the gap between rich and poor is widening. What problems does this create, and what solutions can be suggested to address this issue? Society. 11. Some people believe that it is important to protect the environment, while others argue that economic growth should be prioritized. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Environment. 12. Many people think that the best way to stay fit is by joining a gym or health club. Others believe that engaging in outdoor activities is more beneficial. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Health. 13. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the number of online shopping websites. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this trend? Technology. 14. Some people argue that the main purpose of university education is to prepare students for employment, while others believe it has a broader function. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Education. 15. It is commonly believed that the internet has a negative impact on communication between individuals. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Technology. 16. Many people believe that children should be given homework by their teachers, while others argue that it is unnecessary. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Education. 17. Some people think that international tourism has negative effects on their country's culture and environment. Others argue that it brings benefits. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Tourism. 18. Nowadays, many families move to different countries for work. Some people think this can have negative effects on children, while others believe it has positive outcomes. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Migration. 19. In some countries, the consumption of fast food has increased dramatically. What are the causes of this trend, and what effects does it have on individuals and society? Health. 20. Some people argue that the government should fund arts and cultural projects, while others believe it is a waste of money. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Government. 21. Some people think that schools should teach children skills like cooking, gardening, and money management in addition to academic subjects. Do you agree or disagree? Education. 22. Many people believe that the government should invest more money in public transportation systems to solve traffic congestion problems. Do you agree or disagree? Government. 23. In many countries, plastic bags are a major source of waste. What are the alternatives to using plastic bags, and how effective are they? Environment. 24. Some people believe that children should start learning a foreign language as soon as they start school, while others think they should wait until they are older. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Education. 25. Nowadays, it is easy to apply for jobs online, but some people argue that this has made it more difficult for job seekers to stand out. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Technology. 26. In some countries, the gap between rich and poor is widening. What problems does this create, and what solutions can be offered? Society. 27. Many people believe that advertisements encourage people to buy things they don't need. Do you agree or disagree? Consumerism. 28. Some people think that the government should ban smoking in all public places. Others believe that people should have the freedom to smoke wherever they choose. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Health. 29. In recent years, there has been a rise in the number of people living alone. What are the causes of this trend, and what effects does it have on society? Society. 30. Some people argue that multinational companies and wealthy individuals should be required to pay more taxes to fund social services. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Government. 31. Some people argue that technological advancements, such as the internet and smartphones, have made people more isolated and less sociable. Do you agree or disagree? Technology. 32. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, are becoming increasingly important. To what extent do you think they are a viable alternative to fossil fuels? Environment. 33. In some countries, the tradition of arranged marriages is still prevalent. What are the advantages and disadvantages of arranged marriages? Society. 34. Some people think that young adults should be required to do unpaid work in their free time to help the local community. Do you agree or disagree? Society. 35. With the rise of online shopping, many traditional stores are closing down. What are the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping? Technology. 36. Some people believe that governments should invest more money in the arts, such as music and theatre. Others argue that this money would be better spent elsewhere. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Government. 37. Many people argue that the death penalty is an effective deterrent to crime. Others believe that it is inhumane and should be abolished. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Justice. 38. Some people argue that multinational companies and wealthy individuals should be required to pay more taxes to fund social services. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Government. 39. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the number of people choosing to become vegetarians. What are the reasons for this trend, and do you think it is a positive development? Health. 40. It is often said that the internet has had a profound impact on education. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Technology. 41. Many countries are experiencing an aging population. What are the consequences of this trend, and how can governments address the challenges associated with it? Society. 42 Some people believe that children should be allowed to make their own decisions from a young age, while others think that parents should have more control over their children's lives. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Family. 43 Climate change is a pressing issue facing the world today. What are the causes of climate change, and what measures can individuals and governments take to mitigate its effects? Environment. 44 With the increasing availability of digital media, traditional forms of entertainment, such as books and movies, are declining in popularity. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Technology. 45 In many countries, there is a growing trend towards urbanization, with more people moving from rural areas to cities. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this trend? Society. 46 Some people believe that the government should regulate the fast food industry to address the growing problem of obesity. Others argue that individuals should take responsibility for their own health. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Health. 47 With the rise of automation and artificial intelligence, many jobs are at risk of being replaced by machines. What are the potential consequences of this trend, and how can individuals prepare for the future job market? Technology. 48 Tourism is a significant source of revenue for many countries, but it also brings environmental and cultural challenges. Discuss the impacts of tourism on host communities and suggest ways to mitigate its negative effects. Culture. 49 Some people argue that multinational companies and wealthy individuals should be required to pay more taxes to fund social services. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Government. 50 Some people argue that multinational companies and wealthy individuals should be required to pay more taxes to fund social services. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Government. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any topics in mind that are commonly given in the IELTS exam, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you need solutions to any of the topics discussed, drop us a comment. As a reminder, we've covered the grading criteria, types of essays, and ways to structure them in our previous videos, so be sure to check them out. See you in the next video.